Hello students, today we discuss MCQ questions, multiple choice questions from chapter 2. So we will start. First question, which of these is the simplest form of sugar? Option are starch, glucose, sugar and none of these. See, simplest form of sugar is glucose, which gives the energy in the body. So it is the simplest form of sugar. Second question, which of these are fat soluble vitamins? So vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are fat soluble vitamins. So vitamin A and D, vitamin E and K. So both A and B is the correct answer. Third question, how does water help our body? See, water helps to transport substances inside the body. Substances means some material like any carbohydrate, fat, proteins. Okay. So when you eat food, then after some time you will take the water. So these water helps to transport the substances into the body, and it also helps to regulate the body temperature. Okay, and it is needed for various chemical reactions inside the body. So water is also needed for chemical reaction in the body. So these three processes, all of this is the correct answer. Water help our body for all of these. Fourth question, which of these is caused by deficiency of carbohydrate as well as proteins in the body? See, we have discussed that deficiency of carbohydrate leads kwashiorkor disease. But if deficiency of disease of carbohydrate as well as protein, then the disease are marasmus. So answer is marasmus. If there is only deficiency of carbohydrate, then first is correct. But deficiency of carbohydrates along with protein, then marasmus is the correct answer. Now fifth question, which of these is needed for strengthening bones and teeth? So for strengthening bones and teeth, both calcium and phosphorus are important. So correct answer is D. Sixth question, which of the following are sources of starch? So options are rice and fruits, second honey, third fruits and vegetables, fourth rice and potatoes. So rice and potatoes are sources of starch. Seventh question, ghee is an example of this type of fat. So both butter and ghee are saturated fat, but saturated at room temperature. These are solid at room temperature, but after above the room temperature, it will become liquid form. So saturated at room temperature, saturated only at room temperature. Eighth question, deficiency of the vitamin causes anemia. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, vitamin 12 causes anemia deficiency. Anemia deficiency causes by vitamin B12. So question 9, the function of which vitamin is to help blood to control bleeding? See, when any injury there is the vitamin K is used to stop the bleeding. Okay, control the bleeding and clot. So vitamin K is the function of the vitamin K is to help to clot and stop the bleeding during the injury. 10th question, lack of which of the following minerals causes osteoporosis in adults? Osteoporosis is the bone fracturing or any bend in the bones. So calcium is used. Calcium is the mineral which is, if lack of calcium in the body, then it causes the osteoporosis. So lack of the calcium is the answer. Now one more topic left for today's class is food groups included in a balanced diet. So we have discussed what is balanced diet. A balanced diet contains carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins, minerals, roughage, etc. These are nutrients in your daily diet. So this is called balanced diet. So it should be present. So there are 4 groups in balanced diet. These are the food groups which is included in the balanced diet: milk group, meat group, fruit and vegetable group, and grain group. Milk group includes milk and milk products like curd and paneer, etc. So these are included in milk group in balanced diet. Second, meat group, it includes chicken, fish, etc. and meat substitutes like beans, seeds, nuts, etc. Third, fruit and vegetable groups, it includes fruit and vegetables. Grain groups includes breads and cereals like wheat, etc. So these are the food groups included in balanced diet. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.